Sophia sat on her bed, staring at all the clothes spread out in front of her. The company's end-of-the-year party was tonight, and she couldn't decide what to wear. This night was important for her. Just yesterday, Olivia, the HR manager, had given her exciting news. "Sophia, tomorrow is going to be a big night for you," Olivia had whispered. "Dress nicely. You've been recognized for your 5 years of hard work. I've recommended you to the CEO." Knowing that Olivia was the CEO's close confidant, Sophia was excited but overwhelmed with what to wear. "Sophia, are you ready yet? You don't want to be late for your party," her mother called from the doorway. "Mom, I can't decide what to wear. None of these dresses seem right," Sophia replied, frustrated. "You've known about this party since January. Why are you deciding now?" her mother asked gently. "Mom, will you help me choose or not?" Sophia pleaded. Her mother sighed and pointed to a bright orange dress. "How about this one?" "No, it's too bright," Sophia objected. Her mother pulled out a dark blue dress next. "Then this one." "It's too dark." Sophia found fault with every dress. Too short, too floral, too plain. Her mother eventually got tired and left the room. Sophia flopped back on her bed, exhausted and still undecided. 20 minutes later, her phone rang, waking her up. She couldn't believe she had dozed off. She glanced at the caller ID. It was Olivia. Panicking, she picked up the call. "Hello, Olivia." "Sophia, where are you?" "The CEO wants to see you before the party starts." "Oh, I'm on my way already," Sophia lied, scrambling to her feet. "On your way? Really?" "Yes, just leaving the house. I got held up." "Held up by what, exactly?" Olivia's tone was icy. "I've been trying to find the perfect dress for the event," Sophia explained, trying to joke. "The perfect dress? And today is the day you decide to find it?" "Fine." "Happy picking," Olivia snapped and ended the call. Sophia felt a knot in her stomach. She had to hurry. The promotion. Olivia paced the corridor, frustrated. She needed a new plan. Just then, Emily, a junior staff member, walked by. "Good evening, Miss Olivia. You look stunning," Emily said. "Thank you, Emily. Your dress is lovely as well." "Thanks. It's actually my sister's dress. I knew it was perfect for the end of your party. I begged her to let me borrow it," Emily said with a laugh. Olivia suddenly had an idea. "Emily, you've been with the company for 4 years, right?" "Yes, it's been 4 years," Emily replied, surprised by the question. "And how many times have you met your yearly targets?" 3 times. I missed it only in my first year." "Why do you ask?" "Well, let's just say that someone who was supposed to get a promotion is slacking off, and since time waits for no one, the next most qualified candidate will be rewarded. Come with me, the CEO wants to speak with you." Confused but curious, Emily followed Olivia. They reached the CEO's office, where Olivia asked her to wait outside while she talked to the CEO. After half an hour, Olivia came out and called Emily in. At that moment, Sophia arrived, out of breath. She saw Emily and Olivia walking into the CEO's office and felt dread. She knew she was too late. The consequences. Sophia found a quiet corner and called Olivia again, hoping to fix the situation. "Olivia, I'm so sorry. I'm just 30 minutes away," she pleaded. But Olivia had made her decision. She took Emily into the CEO's office, shaking her head at Sophia's message. Sophia waited anxiously outside, her heart sinking with each passing minute. After half an hour, Olivia and Emily came out of the office, smiling. Sophia felt her heart drop as she realized what had happened. Sophia wandered the hallways in a daze. She finally went to the restroom to compose herself. As she stood in front of the mirror, trying not to cry, she heard the announcement echoing through the building. The recipient of this year's Best Employee Award goes to Miss Emily Johnson. In honor of the company's 15th anniversary, the award includes a promotion and a company car. Sophia broke down, realizing her mistake. She had lost the promotion because of her indecision and procrastination. Crying quietly in the restroom, Sophia thought about what had happened. Every moment of hesitation, every minute wasted on choosing her outfit, had led to this painful outcome. She thought about the opportunities she had missed, not just tonight but throughout her career, because she couldn't make decisions quickly. She remembered her mother's advice to prepare in advance. If only she had listened. If only she had been more decisive. Sophia wiped her tears and took a deep breath. She couldn't change the past, but she could learn from it. As she left the restroom, she saw Emily being congratulated by colleagues. Emily's face was full of joy. Sophia felt jealous but quickly pushed it aside. Emily deserved this, and Sophia had to accept her own mistakes. Determined to move forward, Sophia approached Olivia after the event. "Olivia, can we talk?" Olivia looked at her with a mix of sympathy and disappointment. "Sure, Sophia. What's on your mind?" "I just wanted to apologize for tonight. I know I messed up. I've learned a hard lesson about procrastination and indecisiveness. I promise it won't happen again." Olivia sighed, her expression softening. "I hope you mean that, Sophia. This was a tough break, but it doesn't have to define your future. Learn from it and do better." Sophia nodded, feeling a bit of hope. In the days after the party, Sophia worked with new energy. She tried hard to be more decisive and proactive. Her colleagues noticed the change, and even Olivia seemed impressed. Sophia set daily goals and stuck to them. She asked for advice from mentors and read books on time management and decision-making. Slowly but surely, she rebuilt her reputation at the company. 6 months later, another promotion opportunity came up. This time, Sophia was ready. She prepared well, making sure she met every requirement and deadline. On the day of the announcement, she felt both nervous and excited. As the CEO began to speak, Sophia held her breath. I'm pleased to announce that the promotion goes to Sophia Carter. Her dedication and growth over the past months have been impressive. Sophia's heart soared. She had done it. The lessons from her past mistakes had paid off. She accepted the promotion with gratitude, knowing that her journey was just beginning. That night, as she celebrated with friends and family, Sophia thought about how far she had come. She had turned her weaknesses into strengths, and she was ready for whatever challenges lay ahead.